In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to loop element in Divi Builder. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a regular module into a repeating dynamic element that can automatically pull multiple items like posts or products without manually duplicating content. First, open your page in the Divi Builder. You can use the visual builder so you see changes instantly on the page as you work. Give the page a second to load so the interface fully initializes. Look over to the left-hand side of the Builder interface. This is where you'll see your page's structure and the modules you've added, whether you're in the standard view, the wireframe view, or using the Layers panel. Identify the element you want to loop. This could be a module designed to display content repeatedly, such as a blog, a product card, or a custom module you've styled to your liking. Select that element, then click it to open its settings. This opens the module settings window, so we can adjust how the content is populated. If you accidentally click the row or section, just back out and make sure you're targeting the module itself. On the right-hand side of the settings window, locate the main tabs across the top, click the Content tab. Divi organizes most data-driven controls here, while styling lives under Design and behavior tweaks under Advanced, so content is exactly where we want to be for looping. Inside the Content tab, find the loop option. Depending on the module, it may be nested within a content or elements group, so scroll if you don't see it right away. If the loop control isn't visible, make sure you're editing a module that supports looping and that your Divi theme and builder are up to date. Now toggle on loop element. Turning this on tells Divi to repeat the selected module automatically, pulling items from your data source. Once enabled, you may see additional settings appear like source, filters, ordering, or item limits. These let you fine-tune which items the loop displays and in what sequence. If you're just testing the feature, you can leave defaults as they are and watch the module replicate across multiple items on the canvas. That's all there is to it. You've opened the Divi Builder, located your element on the left, clicked into it, navigated to the Content tab on the right, opened the loop controls, and toggled Loop Element on. Use this approach to build consistent, scalable layouts that update themselves as your content grows, all without copying and pasting.